Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about VoiceBox. It's an open source voice cloning app. So let's take a look at it. So you just go to Google and search for VoiceBox. The installation is pretty simple on Windows. Just download the installation file and just like that, Windows, Mac and all that. So once you have downloaded and made the install, it will just look like this. So here is the interface that you'll get, VoiceBox. On the top here you have option to create voice, but before you do voice creation and all that, head over to this here, model management. Make sure you download a transcription model, that's Whisper. I have downloaded Whisper, and also QuenTTS, whichever you want to use. I just downloaded both. I am switching between them. So once you have that configured, what I want you to check is go to voices now, create a new voice. So you can see I've created two voices, mine and I have MKBHD. So you can create a new voice. You can use the microphone or upload MP3, and also you can record using capture using the system audio. So you can start a capture and do that. So once you start a capture, it will capture the audio of your display. So for example, I'm playing this video here. It will capture that. So that's what I've used to create this voice here, MKBHD. So once you can add as many samples as you want. Then on your dashboard now you will have the voices, and here you'll have generate speech. Choose your model. Because I've downloaded both, you will see that it has QuenTTS 1.7 billion parameter, and I also have 0.6 billion parameters. So I'm choosing 1.7 billion parameters. So let's take a look at the voices. Let's take a look at this MKBHD voice. So I'm going to look like I'm editing it. So you can see I have two samples on it. This is the profile. So this is the first sample.
Ring with this little extra plateau around them now. But actually the first thing that stuck out to me is just the new prices. Typically I'll just save that for the end because it's the same as last year, but from the straight on view, but anyone trying to look over your shoulder or sitting next to you will see basically a blank screen.
So that's MKBHD, the tech god himself. So once you have that configured, hit generate speech. It will generate speech, and it's my system is not that well. What do you call, the specs are not crazy, so it takes time to generate. So I'll not generate right now, but here is the sample that I've generated. So you can see the prompt was here. Hey guys, before you continue, I want you to check out this channel. Is putting out some crazy work. So let's check.
Hey guys, before we continue, I want you to check out this channel, LDev72. He's putting out some really good content and definitely deserves more support. Go subscribe, show some love, and let him know I sent you. Let's help him grow.
You see how crazy that is?
Hey guys, before we continue, I want you to check out this channel, LDev72. He's putting out some really good content and definitely deserves more support. Go subscribe, show some love, and let him know I sent you. Let's help him grow.
So you can see that it really sounds like the god himself. So that's the video. I think it's really well. Go check it out, try it for yourself, and let me know if there is anything. So see you on the next one, guys. Peace out.